Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have GTM access. Now start. First, confirm the container and that you can publish. This avoids later roadblocks. Next, open preview mode and load your site so you can test in real time. Decide what triggers the event: a click, form submission, scroll depth, or a custom data layer push, because that choice shapes your tag, trigger, and variables. Once done, create or confirm variables you'll need, then move to building the trigger and tag. Now build the trigger. Choose the right trigger type and set precise filters. Use element ID, classes, or data attributes to avoid false positives. Then create the tag. Pick Analytics, GA4, or a custom HTML/JS tag, and map parameters like event name, category, and label. Use variables for dynamic values such as data layer values or DOM text, so events stay accurate across pages. Once configured, return to finish, review all changes, and publish the container only after your preview tests show correct event payloads. Make sure timestamps, user ID, and event parameters match expectations. If needed, switch to data layer pushes for more reliable, server-friendly events. If the tag doesn't fire, inspect trigger filters, confirm variable extraction, and check for event propagation or single-page app routing issues. One key troubleshooting tip: enable verbose debug and watch the data layer sequence. Often the problem is timing or a missing variable, which you can then fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.